Vocabulary Quiz Set 8.10. Some helpful hints. Remember to skip around and do the easy ones first. Cross off answers as you go. Listen to it being read out loud, and then you can always start with the back page if you need to. For matching, on the top half we have conserve, limber, agenda, clarity, befuddle, and leeway. A. The program for a meeting, schedule. B. Clearness, accuracy, precision. C. Room for error. D. To protect, guard, or care for. E. To confuse, make stupid, bewilder. F. Flexible. Matching part 2, we have vacate, debut, boisterous, compliant, reimburse, induce. G. To pay back, refund. H. To cause, to bring about. I. To go away from, leave empty, or depart. J. Willing to do what someone else wants, obedient. K. To make a first public appearance. L. Rough and noisy in a cheerful way, loud. Part 2 is fill in the blank. In our word bank, we have leeway, induce, befuddled, clarity, agenda, compliant, conserve, reimburse, vacate, boisterous, debut, and limber. Number 1. Please notice the change in the blank today, that the meeting was changed to 2:30 p.m. instead of 12:30 p.m. Number 2. The puppy was very blank while we were training him and couldn't sit still. 3. Most of the children were blank on the field trip and followed the rules. 4. The teacher gave some blank on the project and allowed projects to be handed in up to a week late. 5. He looked a little blank by the homework assignment but didn't raise his hand to ask for help. 6. We need to blank water during the summer due to the drought. 7. The actress Britney Spears made her blank when she was 8. Number 8. A short walk will blank up the legs before you run. 9. When I wear my glasses, I can see with blank. 10. Exercise in the evening may help blank sleep. 11. The hotel guests must blank their rooms by 11 a.m. 12. I will blank you any gas costs, said the boss.